Hello guys. I'm Elsa from Denmark. We are a remote control manufacturer. Now I will show you this remote control. This is a transmitter. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 joysticks on this panel. We can customize the number of the joysticks from 1 to 16. Now this is a remote control transmitter with 4 joysticks. This is the joystick, and this is the power switch, and this is the throttle button, and these are 2 metal button. And in this set, this is a flame out button. This is a start button. These 2 buttons control the engine or the equipment. Now you can also see there is a button. This button is a setting button. This is the emergency button. And now you can see this is a battery. We can take out very easily. A battery. Now put it into it very easy.